Hi guys, today I'm making dal tadka. So let's start by taking in a medium pressure cooker. To that I'm adding in toor dal, masoori dal, and some moong dal. Okay, you can add them according to your preference. Okay, equal amount or more, less, anything like that. So we'll wash them and then I'm adding in some turmeric powder. Also adding in some salt, and I'm adding in water here. Some people add only that much of water because they just want a thick dal paste, but I've added in extra water because I was making more of it. And later, as the dal cooks in its own flavor, it tends to become thick. Okay, initially it will look watery like this, but later, after like the next day and everything, as you keep it in the fridge, it tends to become thick. So, no issues with that. So I will pressure cook this for about 3 whistles, and after 3 whistles this is how it will look. Okay, just give a slight mix so that all the dal will get broken down. So we'll start making the tadka now. Now in a vessel I have taken in some ghee. I'm making this recipe purely with only ghee. I'm not using oil here. So add your desi ghee to this vessel. The flame is medium. So once the ghee becomes hot, then I'm adding in the jeera. So the hack here which I have learnt is, if you add this jeera to the hot ghee, it tends to swell up. That is what is required in dal tadka. Okay. After adding jeera, I'm adding in some asafoetida and also adding in some curry leaves. Also, I'm adding in green chilies. The ingredients measurements are in the description box below. Please check it out. Also, I'm adding in some chopped onions. So we'll saute this till the onions are cooked well in the ghee. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So once the onions are cooked, I'm adding in some tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Mix well. And we'll cover and cook till the tomatoes are done. Okay. Now, before the tomatoes are 100% done, I'm adding in some ginger garlic paste here. You can even add chopped ginger, chopped garlic if you want. It's easily absorbable if it is a pasty kind like this. Okay, so once I add it, I'll just mix it into all the ingredients and we will cook this till the raw smell goes. So we can see that it is done. Give it a slight mix. You can see that the mixture is coming together. It's becoming a bit thicker. So this is when we add in the powders. I'm adding in a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of red chilli powder, coriander powder, and salt. Now we'll mix this well, okay, and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. So remember guys, before you add in the powders, you need to keep the flame as low, add in the powders and sort them, mix them well and sort them for about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, you can see that the oil has separated at around the mixture like this. So it is now when we add in the dal mixture, okay. So we add in the dal mixture along with the liquid, just not the dal, the entire contents of the cooker, and we'll allow this to boil for about 10 minutes. 10 to 11 12 minutes, that's it. Maximum 10 minutes, let it boil well, okay? It needs to boil nicely. You can boil it for about 10 minutes. Maximum 12 minutes, okay? Minimum 10 minutes. See, the foam which has formed at the top should reduce, okay? As you're boiling it, now turn the flame to low. Now we will make the tadka. So in the tadka pan, I'm adding in some ghee, keeping the flame as low here. So once the ghee is hot, I put jeera into the hot ghee. Again here the hack, the jeera should start to swell up. So that is the reason you put jeera in the hot ghee. A pinch of asafoetida, few dry red chilies, some red chili powder. So once you add in the powder, switch off the flame and now we pour that into the tadka. So this is how I pour it into the dal. Just take a ladle of the dal and pour it into the tadka pan and take out the remaining and pour it into the dal back again. So your dal tadka is ready. Just give this a quick mix and it is ready to be served. So it's a very nice comforting food. You can limit the amount of red chili powder if you feel it is too much. But this is such a comforting food. Have it with hot rice, with some ghee. It's heavenly, trust me. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and please go and try out this dal tadka at home and let me know how it came in the comment section down below. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you next time with another video. Until then, take care. Bye guys.